Hello and welcome to Aset channel. My name is John Rowan. In today's lesson we're going to look at a mistake that most Japanese people make. I hear this mistake maybe every day, or if not every day, at least 4 or 5 times a week. It's a mistake that most Japanese people make. But it's a kind of an important mistake because it's a little bit difficult for a native English speaker to understand what you mean if you make this mistake. So it's kind of important. So let's take a look. I am going to Osaka 2 hours later. So this sentence is wrong, and it's a little bit confusing because of this word later. Japanese people tend to think that later is about a time in the future, and it is, but it's not correct here. The word that we need here is I'm going to Osaka in 2 hours time. We don't have to say time, we could just say I'm going to Osaka in 2 hours. Both are okay. So in 2 hours time. And for a native English speaker we understand that from now we're waiting for 2 hours, then go to Osaka. So we often use in time, in 2 hours time, in 3 days time, 4 months time, 5 years time, 6 centuries time. Always we're putting in time, so we understand that from now until a time in the future we're waiting for something to happen. But we do use later, but we use it in a different way. So we'll look at a different sentence here. I am going to Osaka in 2 hours time and to Kobe 3 hours later. So now we're talking about 2 times in the future. Osaka in 2 hours time. So starting from now, 1 hour, 2 hours, then go to Osaka. But when we're in Osaka, then we're starting counting again. So we're going to go to Kobe 3 hours later. So but now we're in Osaka. So 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, then go to Kobe. So when we use later, we're starting from the future and moving further into the future. When we use in time, we're starting from now and going into the future. So in this sentence we're talking about 2 places, Osaka and Kobe. If we only talk about Kobe, then it changes to this. I'm going to go to Kobe in 5 hours time. So from now, we wait 5 hours, and then in 5 hours I'm going to go to Kobe. So in time starts from now. Later starts from a time in the future and moves further into the future. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you again in the future. My name is John Rowan and this was Aset channel.